Good morning students. In previous classes we already started Scratch programming and introduction. Students, we already learned that how to start Scratch. Today we will do little short revision. How to start Scratch? First you have to click on Start, then click on All Program, then afterwards click on Scratch. We also learned that main components of Scratch, sprite and stage. What is the sprite? This small cat is said to be sprite. This small cat is said to be sprite. You may change this. Today we will learn that. And we also learned that what is the state? It is the main working area where the sprite moves and perform action as per given instruction. Means this background is said to be stage of this cat or our program. Now students, today we will learn how to choose sprite from the library. It means students, you can change your sprite as you like. Scratch provides you inbuilt sprites from where you can choose new sprites. There are different categories on the library. Like palette like animal, fantasy, letters, people, things, transportation and all. You can choose a sprite you like. Now I will show you how to choose a sprite from your library. Students, you can see here, this is our Scratch window. Now I am going to choose a sprite, different sprite from the library. Just see here. Here it is written new sprite and click on this image. It is written here choose sprite from library. First you have to click here. You can see many categories are here. See here categories. All categories are here. Animals, fantasy, letters, people, things, transportation. What you want you can choose from here. Now I am going to choose this aeroplane from this library. Click on this aeroplane. Click here. And click on OK. Then you can see this aeroplane will be in our sprite stage. See, we can delete this cat. We will use this delete option. It is here on the top. Click this and use it in this cat. Just you have to click one time. You can see the cat is already deleted. Students, in this way we can change our sprite from the library. Now changing images. Changing images means we can change the backdrop or the wallpaper or the backstage of our sprite. Scratch provides a backdrop library from where you can add or change the stage image. Backdrop library contains images themes like city, castle, holiday, nature, sports, underwater. You can choose any image required as your project. Now see how to change backdrop from the library. Students, we have already taken this aeroplane as our sprite in our project. So we will choose a backdrop according to this plane. See here. Students, you have to click here. This choose a backdrop from the library. You have to click here. Just click. So many themes will come. Here themes castle, city, flying, holiday, music, nature, space. Aeroplane will be in space. Choose a image from here. So many images are here. You can choose any one. what you want. We will choose this stars image according to our project. Then click on OK. You can see this plane looks like a aeroplane is in the sky, and so many stars are here. In this way we can insert backdrop or sprite in our project. Now students, next topic is code block palette. Block palette contains the set of blocks which are used to program the sprite and give actions to it. Each block performs a specific task in a project. It is used to create scripts in Scratch. The block connects to each other just like a jigsaw puzzle. Students, we have so many code blocks. Code blocks means this blocks. Here you can see now this motion, stage, pen, stamp. So many code blocks are here. Now students, what is script? Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to sprite to do specific task. Means our program is said to be our script. The script is created by dragging the instruction from the block palettes and dropping them stepwise on each other. The script is also called a program. Program means a script is a program in Scratch only. Students, moving a sprite. How we can move our sprite in our stage? All the instructions related to the movement of sprite are given under the motion block menu. Let us understand the use of motion block. How we will use motion block, which we will use in motion block. Move forward or backward. You can move your sprite forward or backward using this motion block. Turn left, right, certain degrees, go to the desired position. Whatever instruction you will give you with the help of motion block. Now we will see how to use this motion block. Students, we have already taken this plane and this stage. Now we will write a script for this plane. So you have to click in this script here, script option. First you go and click here. Then you can see these all are our blocks: motion, looks, sound, pane, data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks are here. So today we will use this motion block. Just you click here. First we have to click in this event, and we will give this when flag is clicked by dragging with the help of mouse. We have taken when flag clicked. Then go to this motion block. Students, when we will write script for the plane, we have to click in this stage here. Sprites we have to click here in this aeroplane. Then we will go to this event block. Then we will take this when flag clicked. Then afterwards go to the motion block. Then we will take this move 10 steps. Okay. You can see how we are clicking. It will move. We have taken move 15 degree. That's why it's coming 15 degree. After this move 10 steps, we will go to this control block and we will take this forever. We will keep this forever here and move this 10 steps we will in the middle. Okay, just see, you can see here. Take this plane here and keep. You have to click on this stop button. When you want to stop your project, you have to click here. Students, we want to see this project in full screen, so we have to click here full screen, and you can see when you will click on this green flag, then your project will start. I am going to click. You can see our plane is fly, and when you want to stop, you have to click in this stop button. Then again we will go to back. Students, I hope you understand how to use the motion block. Students, with the help of motion block, you can move from one place to another place. Now, drawing a colorful circle. The block in the paint block menu allow the sprite to draw lines on the stage. If you want to draw lines in the stage, then you have to use the paint block. It will clear all the paint marks and stamp from the images. Set pen color to the different values, set the pen size, set the pen value. Whatever you want to do in your screen, you can do with the help of paint block. Students, next is sound block. With the help of sound block, you can give sound in your projects. If you want to make your project effective with the help of sound, you can give drum beats, you can give any thundering, you can give any type of sound, whatever in the library you can give with the help of this sound block. Students, I hope you understand all the blocks. So with the help of all blocks, we will create a program. Students, we are going to create a new program. That new program is flying bird. First, you have to delete this cat and you have to take a bird. Which bird you want, you can choose from here, library. Choose one bird from here. Animals. We will choose this parrot. Click on this parrot. This parrot come. Then delete this cat. We will this bird will be little shorter, so we will use this shrink option to be smaller. I think the size is okay. We will set the size according to our project, and we will choose a backdrop according to the bird, according to the parrot. We will choose this castle. The castle come. Now we will do codings for the parrot. So students, you have to click on this script option. Then go to the parrot here. Click on this parrot. Now our scripts come. We will do codings. First we will go to control block, event block. Then we will take this when the flag is clicked. Then we will go to motion block and we will take this set to X. We will change the values also. Just you have to click here and whatever values you will give, it will change here. I am giving here -100. Whatever values you will give, it will take. Then afterwards set to Y here. Just drag it. It will come. Here you choose. Here you keep 0. It's okay, I think. Then go to this control block. Use forever. just drag and drop it. Then go to this motion block and change Y by 10 here. Just drag and drop it. Set the positions also of this parrot. Then go to this control block. Then again we will go to this control block and we will take this when space is key. You can choose any keyboard key, arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, space. I have chosen this space. When we will click on, when we will press this space from the keyboard, then it will change. Now then again go to this motion block, change Y by 15, then go to the looks block, then next costume. Now we will see how this program will work. We will see in this full screen, and I am going to click on this flag. Just you see here what will happen, and I will press space button also. You can see this will flew away. You can see here when I am pressing the space button, it is flying. I hope students you understood how to use all the blocks. I hope you understand this video. Thank you and have a nice day.